Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a very special vlog. I can't stress enough on very. God, I'm shaking right now. Okay, you must have read by the title. So, yeah, I got my first car. I am going to today. So, very nervous, very excited, too many emotions. Ignore my halat. Abhi I have meetings and stuff. That was again a reminder. I have a meeting in next 10 minutes. I'm trying to get things ready, my documents ready. I don't know why I'm so nervous. So yesterday I went to get like the balloons and stuff to decorate, and so the balloons I got them filled with helium, and 2 घंटे में they were all on the floor. I was like, ये क्या है ये? Like what the hell is this? Called them up. I was like, they didn't even stay for 2 hours and I need it for today. So they were like, you can bring them in and we'll give you a new one. So thank you Party City for that. Video is not sponsored, just for the good gesture. So after my meeting I'm going to quickly run get balloons again, and then I'm going to start getting ready. I didn't vlog all of this from way before because it all just happened in a way that particularly about this car. I was looking to buy a car. It's been a month and I was trying to get something good which I really like, and I didn't want to vlog all of that. I didn't even knew when I'll get the car or when I'll find something which is, you can say, meant for me. And when I found this car, I went to check it out on last weekend. Today's Thursday, so I went to check that out on last weekend. I really loved it. I came home, thought about it, like, do I really want to go for it? You know, like you are really excited to get something, but then jab pata chalta hai how much it's gonna cost and maintenance and what all, you have to think. So I took my time. That whole night I didn't sleep. I was just thinking, do I really want to do it? Because if I really want that car, then I talk to my mom, dad, see if they like the car, they approve it. So in the morning my feelings were same and more strong. The choice, I'm little bad there. I'm ready to wait for things, but I don't compromise on my choice. So next day I called them, I asked them, I asked my brother, everyone approved it. So thank you so much. Today it's finally happening. Today is November 18th, and because I've been caught up in all this since a week, so I have not been able to edit the Diwali vlog. I don't know now which is gonna come first, the Diwali vlog or this one. But yeah, just wanted to let you know today is November 18th and I'm getting my first car. So nervous, so happy, and I'm blabbering a lot. It's already been like almost 4 minutes, but thank you for listening. I'll try to vlog whole day and share this special moment with you. Again, first of all, everything what I am today, where I am today, and I'm able to get this car is wholly and solely because of my parents, my siblings, basically my family. Yeah, they sent me here. The way they've supported me, always showered their love, blessings. So yeah, it's basically them and my hard work, not gonna deny that. This feels like my first achievement. Honestly, I didn't feel this much when I got graduated, but this is big. So thank you so much for being here, watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoy the day. Okay, meeting done, going to Party City. Again, ignore my halat, it's going on a really long day. But I'll show you the balloons. Zara halat dekho tum iski. ये last night लिए हुए helium balloons हैं. कहाँ है इनकी helium? Where? So let's go and get the new balloons. I was just talking to my mom इसके पहले, and she didn't sleep. My younger brother didn't sleep. Morning when he called, what's the status, what's happening? So everyone is excited. घर में पहली Mercedes आ रही है, you know, you get the tone. Everyone is excited, me too. कोई किसी को नींद नहीं आ रही है इंडिया में. They are like, कब वीडियो कॉल आएगा, कब कार आएगी. Stay tuned, enjoy, grab your drink, chai, coffee. Must enjoy the vlog. I give it to them and they're gonna blow it again. Then we'll go. Tab tak we are gonna all wait. I got it, guys. Look at this. I just hope अच्छा लगे. Whatever combination I liked, मैंने मेरे हिसाब से लिया है. Black, white and black, white, black, blue and red. Let's see. Hopefully these are gonna stay and not go on the floor. At least for 2-3 hours यार. Come on, इतना तो कर ही सकते हैं हम. क्यों? What do you think? अभी 3 का appointment is already around 1. I have to cook, I have to eat, I have to take shower, I have to pack up everything, I have to leave. It's far. It's almost 1 hour drive. So we have a lot to do. There's no time to waste. Come on, we are on a time crunch, guys. I am ready, as in face. I think I'm gonna keep it simple, nice, cute, and let's figure out the clothes now. We are not really late, but kind of late, so we have to be fast. Quick. I'm ready, kind of not ready. I'm waiting for the cab. This is balloons attached to my bag. And then stuff here. I need to take those two. अभी I'm wearing normal hoodie क्योंकि पहले वहाँ जाके I know there's gonna be a lot of time in documentation and registration and all of that. जब वो सब हो जाएगा तो I'll go to restroom quickly, do a little bit, you know, change the like hoodie and then we'll be good to vlog further, take pictures. Of course वो सब तो होगा ही. It's a big thing. It's a huge deal for me. But this is the status as of now. Okay, so we are here. Let's go and start the paperwork. Just 5 minutes late. Appointment 3 ka tha. It's 3:05. Let's go. I got the car. I am a Mercedes-Benz owner. Oh my god. Okay, after going inside, I completely forgot that I am a vlogger. कि ऐसा भी कुछ मुझे करना है. जब डॉक्यूमेंट स्टार्ट होते हैं इट वॉज अंडरस्टैंडिंग एवरीथिंग, साइनिंग ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स. इन बीच में कुछ चल रहा था डॉक्यूमेंटेशन का. आई टू कॉल भैया, वो सब चल रहा था. आई फॉरगॉट आई नीड टू व्लॉग, सो आई डिडंट. आई एम सॉरी फॉर दैट. बट कार इज़ हियर एंड लेट मी शो इट टू यू. या इतने प्लान्स थे फ़ोटो के. ऑफकोर्स रील्स बनाना था, ऑफकोर्स बहुत सारे फ़ोटो लेने हैं. घर पे सब वेट कर रहे हैं मम्मी पापा जाए क्योंकि ऑफकोर्स यहाँ तो डार्क हो गया है ऑलरेडी. 6:20 और समथिंग एंड आई वॉज हियर सिंस 3. लेट्स सी कहाँ पिक्चर्स आती है. बट लेट्स ट्राई द बेंच. कम ऑन. Congratulations to me. Congratulations to you all. This one was for my family. I really hope they were here. It would have been great. Happiness would have been double, triple, I don't know what. Waiting for them to come and enjoy the ride in this. Yeah, we still have to go to temple. उसके बाद गाड़ी सीधा घर जाएगी and we'll talk more. But yeah, here it is. Also, please avoid my hair. SF and its humidity, it all ruined my hair. Never mind, I'm wearing this nice blazer top and वही इतना कुछ आ नहीं पा रहा है क्योंकि अंधेरा हो गया. लाइटिंग में जो मैनेज हो रहा है. विल डू अ प्रॉपर शूट ऑन द वीकेंड डे लाइट में. इट विल बी ऑसम. बट अभी कुछ तो बनता है. सो या Okay, I just reached the temple. Already 8 हो गया है. We're running late. सब डॉक्यूमेंटेशन की वजह से यार. मैं इतनी जल्दी चली गई थी. ऑफिस था तो भी मैं जल्दी चली गई थी कि पता था टाइम लगेगा. बट स्टिल अभी पार्किंग नहीं मिल रही टेम्पल में, तो मैं बीच में से रुकी हुई हूँ. अगर पंडित जी आ जाएंगे बाहर तो वो यहीं करवा लेंगे फटाफट. और तब तक पार्किंग मिल गई तो आई विल पार्क एंड देन विल सी. Hello, lovely people. Welcome to the next day of the vlog. Abhi, you must be balloons bhi yahi hai abhi. You must be wondering that why am I continuing the vlog next day? Of course, kal raat ho gayi thi and I haven't shown you guys car properly. We haven't seen the interiors. I'm really excited to show you all, and I'm missing Jay abhi bahut zyada because hota to bahut अच्छे कार के cinematic videos लेके दे देता मेरे को. But I'll try my best to show you all, and then we'll talk. We have to do some talking. I need to do some talking. Okay, so first let me show you our car. घर के सामने खड़ी हुई कैसी लग रही है. I love the lights. रात को और अच्छी दिखती हैं. They're like crystalline rose gold. That is beautiful. Hey there. So yes, that was the car. अभी मैं इतना ही दिखा सकती हूँ. I tried showing my best to you guys. Interior basic अभी मैं एक चीज़ खोल के नहीं दिखाऊंगी. But this is overall how it looks. Cream and wooden detailing with that beautiful moonroof. So excited to drive and make reels like this, you know, with moonroof in the amazing lighting we'll get. We can vlog whenever we travel. Can't wait to travel in this. I am not really a person who keeps name for their cars, but you never know, things change, and I was thinking about two names. One idea I had was Moon, because I really love Moon. I am fascinated by Moon always. I can just sit and watch Moon. Car is white, and when I got it yesterday, it was a Purnima, which is a full moon day. So that made really sense, and I love that name. Mystique is the another name idea I have, and I really love that name. My mom loves that name. Mystique, for those who don't know, means something which is magical and powerful. And yeah, this car is definitely magical. So that is the name I think I'm gonna go for my car. Huge shout out and thanks to my parents, which I already said earlier, but of course, jitni baar bhi I say it's less. So thank you to my parents, my brothers, my siblings. I miss you all. I hope मैं जल्दी सबको घुमा पाऊँ. भैया को तो जल्दी, भैया यहीं हैं US में, बाकी सब इंडिया में. But whenever they come, we're gonna enjoy, do a lot of more vlogging. I'm sure Jay आएगा तो वो भी करेगा. Thank you so much to you guys. We are now family of 150 plus subscribers. So yay! A big shout out on that as well. Really happy when this happened, I think like few days ago. So thank you so much for that. We are now around 160 plus or something. Hoping to be very active now, trying to make a lot of videos for you guys and grow this family jaldi. And I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. This was a really special one. As I said in the start, oh my god, I'm stammering. As I said in the start, this is a really special vlog, special video. So please shower your love. Make sure if you liked it, you press that like button, share, subscribe, and yeah, this is mine. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.